Hey everyone, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. In this video, we're going to be looking at a few altcoins and analyze the wedge patterns that are developing between all of these altcoins and how all of these are bullish signs for a potential reversal and a potential push to new all-time highs. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in to these charts. So, first we're going to start with Ethereum here. And Ethereum, I haven't really covered much. I haven't actually posted a video on Ethereum yet since I've created this channel. But that's mainly because Ethereum has kind of just been lagging and doing, not much in the current environment that it's in. I'll just show you what I got drawn out here in terms of my Fibonacci retracement here on the weekly. You can see here we created this impulsive wave up here. And then our low down here, I drew it out. And then we have our 1.618 target, which is $8,100. When we started this wave up in that push from March 20th, or not March 20th, but March 2020 during COVID, we made that push up. We broke the one level on our Fibonacci, and we were making moves to the 1.68 or 618 rather, and then Bitcoin shit the bed and it started to fall back. But what's positive for Ethereum is that for one, on the weekly, we have not broken our 50-week SMA, and currently we're holding a line of support here and we're very close to breaking this downward trend. Now, if we zoom in here on the daily, you can see that we got this downward trend here. We've had some impulses up, but nothing really crazy. Now, it's getting close to whether or not we're going to make or break. Are we going to break down from this support line and continue with the resistance, or are we going to break out and create a potential upside? Now, if that happens, it will be massive. I mean, you're talking about from the point of the resistance to the support. I mean, you're looking at a break back up to new all-time highs here. I mean, it's gonna if this line gets broken here, I'll zoom in. You can see we kind of came up and we tapped it, and we're sitting right now right above our 200-day SMA. If we can break this falling wedge pattern resistance line, then I mean that's a huge sign for bullish reversal for Ethereum. And the interesting thing is, I think this is playing out for other altcoins as well. So if I come in here to Cardano, you see the same thing is playing out. It's not nearly as, it's more of a descending support line, but we still have this wedge pattern forming. And for Cardano specifically, since I've been covering this, I have some more things drawn out. Like I have this green support line starting back from, mid-March, and we've actually reclaimed that on the daily so far. I mean, we still have 3.5 hours, but as of right now, if we can close up here, we've closed back above this green support line. And you see we're tapping currently right now on this red resistance line that's kind of a localized resistance line from the last impulsive wave up, which was in early July. But if we can break that and then break out of the black line, which is the ultimate support, resistance line that we formed here, then there you go. You got another impulsive wave up, and this could take us to a potential new all-time high here. So you're looking at, if I draw out from here to here, you're looking at, back up to 230. You're looking at a potential new all-time high. And the good thing about these altcoins rather than Bitcoin is that there's not nearly as many resistance barriers that these coins have to break as compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has dropped like enough on its chart that it still has a lot of the daily MAs that it has to break. And it's still, it's still looking bullish even with that. So I'll just show you one more chart here. Well, actually, I think I got to, let's see. We got Ethereum, Cardano. Look at Polkadot. So you look at Polkadot here, we're also establishing, a descending wedge. And we're at the point of almost breaking all of these resistance lines. Now, I'm not saying we're out of the woods yet because we haven't actually broken them, but things there we're at a point where we're getting very close to a decision. I mean, this is coming to an apex in early August. Cardano comes to an apex in late August. Ethereum comes to an apex in early August. We have Ankr here, and Ankr has an interesting chart in that we have almost like an ascending support line, and that comes to an apex at in early August. I think ultimately what is going to decide, you know, the movement of these candles and the movement of this price action is what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin can break that falling resistance line, then I think you're going to see the prices of these easily break them as well, and that'll just be, a catalyst for creating new highs. So, like I said, there's we got probably a week or week and a half left to see what the price of it actually does. Um, we'll see if the news, the FUD starts to go away, and you'll see more positive sentiment. If the bulls start to come back, we found our bottoms here for these coins, and then that'll be just the established foundation to start building for a new all-time high before the end of 2021. So I'll keep you guys in touch. If anything crazy happens, I'll of course make another update. But yeah, so far things are looking pretty solid. So yeah, if you want to stay in touch with this, you want to stay updated, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel. I'm making videos pretty regularly now, updating you guys on the price and what's going on. Please like this video, and I will see you guys later.